morning, children. This is Shilpa here. In today's class, I will discuss some part of the yellow brick road. Before that, I will give you a brief of previous part of the story. See, children, in this story, there is a young girl called Dorothy. She faces many adventures on her journey down the yellow brick road. Along the way, she meets some strange new friends. Those are the Scarecrow and the Tin Man. One morning, Dorothy and Scarecrow came by a beautiful clear water spring. Spring means, children, already you know, a pool created by fresh running water. Dorothy bathed, drank, and ate a light breakfast. The Scarecrow observed her. Then he said it must be trouble soon to be made of flesh. Okay? Why? Because to survive one should always searching for food, drink, and rest. However, you have brains and it must be wonderful to they properly. Dorothy smiled and ready for the reply. Suddenly, she heard a deep groan. Groan means, children, a long deep sound made because of pain. Okay? Both are surprised, searched for that sound. Who are they? Scarecrow and Dorothy. They walked towards it into the forest and discovered something shining. Discovered means found something suddenly. Okay? They found it was a man made with entirely of tin with an axe in his hand. He is a tin man. Why? Because, children, he is made up entirely with a metal, so that he is a tin man. His head, arms, and legs were fitted to the body, but he could not move anywhere. He sat more than 1 year. He was helpless, and no one did not help him. There we stopped the lesson, children. These are the three characters of the story. One, Dorothy, Dorothy friends, Scarecrow, and Tin Man. Okay? Now all of you open page 19. See here. Yes, cried Tin Man. I have been groaning for more than a year now, but no one has heard me or come to my help. What can I do for you? Dorothy asked softly, for she was moved by his sad voice. You could get an oil can and oil my joints, answered Tin Man. They are rusted so badly, I can't move them at all. If I am well oiled, I shall be all right again. He pointed to a hut at the edge of the forest and added, You will find an oil can on my cottage shelf. Rusted means damaged by a reddish brown substance. Okay? See here, next paragraph. Dorothy rushed off immediately and returned shortly with the can. She then asked, Where should I start? Oil my neck first, said Tin Man. As Dorothy began oiling it, Scarecrow held his tin head and moved it gently from the side to side till it worked freely. Tin Man now gave a sigh of relief. Gave a sigh of relief means suddenly felt happy. This is great comfort, he said. After this, if you oil the joints of my legs, I shall be able to walk again. So Dorothy and Scarecrow oiled his legs till they moved easily. The man felt grateful and politely thanked them for their help. I might have stood here forever if you had not come along, he said. So you certainly have saved my life. How did you happen to be here? Children, grateful meaning being thankful for someone's help. So what happened in this page, children? More than a year, the Tin Man had been crying in the forest alone, but did not get help from anyone. Then Dorothy felt sad, asked, "What can I do for you? Please get an oil can and oil my joints." Children, remember, Tin Man made of metal, so that he got stuck there for a long time. So he asked oil for his joints. He said, "If I am well oiled, I shall be all right again." And he told in his heart a oil can is in the shelf. Dorothy ran fastly and returned with the can. See here, children? Yes, returned with the oil can. She asked, "Where should I start?" "Oil my neck first," said the Tin Man. As Dorothy began oiling it, Scarecrow held his tin hat and moved it gently. It worked freely. Then Dorothy and Scarecrow oiled his legs. See, children, in this picture, first they are apply the oil in the neck part. After then, Scarecrow and Dorothy oiled his legs till they moved slowly. Tin Man was very thankful for them. For whom, children? Dorothy and Scarecrow, for saving his life. So children, remaining part will be continued in the next class. That's all for today's session. Everyone read and write 1-2 question answers in this lesson. Thank you.